Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you two methods. Suppose in Samsung mobile you are having any issue with your touch screen or vibration sensors or any of accelerometer sensors, gyroscope sensors. Means if you want to diagnose your mobile yourself before going to repair shop, I am going to tell you two methods, one code and one more method by which you can test your mobile, you can self-diagnose the problems. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel and if you like the video after watching it completely, please subscribe this channel. So the very first thing, go to the dialer pad, dial *#0*#. As soon as you will dial, you will land up with this screen. Here you can check the screens. If you touch this, it will go. You can test the red, green and blue colors of your screen, receiver, vibrations, cam, touch screens. You can, from here you can test the touch. You have to touch each and every box like me. And as soon as if all is going green, it will back, it is okay. Then speakers, sub key, here see the if I am pressing the key, the color is changing. And this power key, you can test all these hardware keys. Now speakers, screen, front cam, anything. So this is, you can see the versions also from here. Means here you can see model number, which model you can check. So this is one way of diagnosing Samsung mobile problem. The second way is just go to the Play Store and download Samsung Members app. Not in Play Store, you have to go to the Galaxy Store. Here I will show you this, where it is. Yes, Galaxy Store, and from here just search for Members. I have already installed it, otherwise install from here and then open it. As soon as you will open it, here you will see the diagnostics. Go here, then phone diagnostics. From here also you can diagnose SIM card, SD card, phone restart status, everything, torch, speaker, vibrations, camera, buttons, fingerprint sensors, face recognitions, battery status. I will show you one, it is normal. Capacity you can see also. If you plug and if it is okay, it will give a tick mark, otherwise it will show problem. You can test all also. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel.